So now I would like to conclude what is the proposal for the academic institution and research center in terms of the digital continuity. So as everyone mentioned, the importance of the connection between the academic center and the industrial. So we have the 3D experience platform, which is introduced. It is a pivot between the industry and the students. We put in place this application. It is exactly the same platform that is used by industries and the one that we propose for the educational and academic centers. In terms of the feature function, it's covering, most of them are the equivalent. And more than that, we put in place the communities, expert communities. They look like the LinkedIn for a special expertise, like the 3D modeling, simulation, virtual manufacturing. In the communities, all the user of the dassault system softwares, and including the researcher, students, or the industrial companies, they can exchange their data and they can exchange their idea and sharing the best practices, the examples, etc. So, what is the package we propose for academic centers? It is not moving on this slide. So we propose a package including the different applications. Okay, so here we can. Okay, we have the 3D experience platform, as you can see at the right hand, containing the different capabilities, the applications. We have the application for 3D modeling, as you can see at the right, with CATIA or SolidWorks, or modeling for the biomedical systems with BioVia. And at the bottom, we have the simulation applications, like Simulia with real-time simulation, district simulation, fluid simulation, for the manufacturing and digital manufacturing, virtualization of the factory robot products. We have Delmian simulation. In the right hand, we have all the statistics and the big data analysis coming over the project, because in the real industrial project, when we are working on a project, after a while we have to do the statistics to see how many percent of the project is advanced, what are the elements remaining. So it's very important for the students to be initialized on the methodology and the process that is used in different industries. And by the means of this 3D experience, they can not only can deep dive on their expertise on mechanic or simulation or system engineering, but also they can learn how to involve their expertise with the project management, with the analytic, getting the data from other departments, integrating. So that's why for the industries and for the academic, we said that this 3D experience can be deployed in 12 different industries for industrial production. The package we propose for academic system containing the different things. The applications for modeling, simulation, etc. E-learning. We have a free e-learning package. It's a very huge library with thousands and thousands of the learning modules and learning applications containing the tests, exams, and even the predefined models that they can upload, working on it, and then use it. So this learning is very important. It's coming with the package, and we have the communities, as I tell you. We put in place the professional LinkedIn's for a specific domain, 3D modeling, etc. And all the students and the professor can be member of these communities, exchanging their best practices. And even we have the example that some people defining the new project between the industry and the academic system via these professional LinkedIn's. And by the end, we have the certification in the package. For the students who learned the different module of the CAD modeling or simulation modeling or manufacturing or system engineering, we have the different certification coming from the international certification company, which is a digital bundle that will be deployed directly on their LinkedIn. So I would like just to show you a little bit detail of the applications that are available. So the platform, I really recommend that if you're interested to have more information about this offer, we can have a specific meeting with you because we have a modular proposal that we can adjust and customize our solution with what you need and what you want to develop. So as you can see, we have the different packages. We have a specific package of application for for CAD engineering. It contains all the applications of the CAD. We have for the building and civil engineering. We have a specific package containing all the applications required for civil engineering. We have the same for simulation, for manufacturing and even system engineering. So here, for example, I don't know if I can make a zoom, I cannot. For example, the package of the CAD containing all the modules of the CAD that are existing. For example, for fluid simulation, generative simulation, mold and tooling, mold and compensation, mechanical shape design, mechanical shape and surface modeling. All the applications in the industrial companies, they buy one or two applications. But for the academic system, you put all the applications like that. The students and the professor, they can learn the different capacities. And the same for simulation or production manufacturing. We have the virtual for example, the yellow one is for manufacturing. So we have the robot modelization, assembly simulation, NC machining, and fabrication, the surface robot simulation, and organizing the factory, etc. So these are the applications, and here you have a link, edu space, to access to the e-learning. Even if you are not the customer of the dassault system, you can define your username and password here, and you will have access to several modules and the tests and exams. And here is about the certification. As I said, this certification is generated from the international company, and it is the digital bundle that is deployed automatically in the social system for the students, and it makes them easier to integrate to their job. So here are several examples in different countries that we have. I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and please feel free to contact us and our dynamic partner in the region, PROMEC. We can define a specific meeting with you to study what you want and customize the solution according to your requirements and needs. Thank you very much.
Thank you.